morning and welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to be preparing a couple things, but my main focus is my homemade sausages. This morning I'm going to make some hazelnut coffee, show you how I make that. I'm going to show you how I make my cauliflower grits casserole. Then I will prepare my homemade sausages for you. So keep watching. This morning I'm getting ready to make some coffee. Let me just get some water going in this coffee pot. I'm gonna fill this up to 12 cups. This morning I'm gonna make some homemade sausages along with this coffee. This is the coffee I'm using. I'm gonna add 4 scoops of coffee. I'm adding it down there first. And these are full scoops. 2, 3, 4, and it's going to be the best coffee you've ever had. Okay, let me just go ahead and put this in here. Close the top, turn it on, brew, and it will start brewing the coffee. Okay, here is my 1 bowl of cauliflower rice here. I'm going to cut up 1/3 cup of onions. I'm going to go ahead and place the onions and the garlic in my food processor over here. That'll make it go a lot faster. I chopped up 1 clove of garlic here and onion. I'm going to go ahead and melt this butter. It's a 1/2 stick of butter. I'm gonna go place it in the microwave for 40 seconds. 1/2 stick of butter. And I have 2 eggs. Let me add the cheese, a cup of cheese. Just about a 1/2 cup of cheese. Add 3/4 teaspoon of sea salt and my black pepper, freshly ground black pepper, and I'm gonna mix it up. 150-degree preheated oven, and I'm gonna place it in there for 1 hour. This is my cauliflower grits casserole, so let me place it in the oven. All right, I'll let you see it after I'm finished. And I will do a taste test at the end of the video, so keep watching. I'm going to add 1 ounce of ground turkey. This is really lean turkey, 97% lean. So I'm going to add some oil to it. And 1/4 teaspoon of marjoram. That's about all I have left. 1/2 teaspoon of fennel. I crushed it in the mortar. It's about a pinch there. Add 1 teaspoon of sage. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And 1 teaspoon of sea salt. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil, since this does not have that much oil in it. Okay, then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil in the skillet over here. Add a 1/2 pack of stevia. Now you want to go ahead and form your patties. Okay, I got all the sausages in the skillet, and it's smelling really delicious in here. So let me go ahead and cook those. I'm going to cook them probably for about 2.5, well, about 3 minutes on each side. I'm going to turn them over right now. So if you want to make these a day ahead of time, you can do that, and they'll taste even better because the seasoning will be all the way through the meat. My skillet, for some reason, is hotter in certain areas, so that's why you see a nice brown one in the middle there. So I'm going to let that cook a little bit longer. Okay, the sausages are ready, so I'm going to go ahead and take them out of the pan. Now, if you like gravy and sausage, this is a good point to add in your cream and also your cream cheese to make the sausage and gravy. But today I'm not going to make that. But see the goodness in the skillet there? That is all goodness there. So let me take these out of the pan. I'm going to turn the eye off. Add a little bit more oil to the pan. Just so you know, the cauliflower grits casserole is still in the oven. So I'm going to place this on medium-high for the eggs. Skillet heat up so the oil is hotter. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and place the eggs in the skillet. This is a breakfast of 2 to 3 people. This is an easy keto breakfast. It's very low carb. So I'm going to go ahead and add some sea salt to the top of them. And some pepper. I'm going to go ahead and break the yolk. So I kind of like mine broken. And I have this new way stovetop on medium-high. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and flip over the eggs. I'm just going to let them stay on this side for just a few seconds so they can firm up. I didn't do a very good job with that one, but it's still going to taste good. And I'm going to add a little salt on both sides. Black pepper. I'm still waiting on the cauliflower grits casserole. So I'm just going to share with you the oils that I use. This is ghee, which is clarified butter. I use avocado oil for cooking and organic coconut for cooking. Now the extra virgin olive oil, I use that on salads and dishes after they are cooked. And sometimes I will use duck fat and bacon fat, but these are mainly the oils that I do use. So just want to let you know that these are special oils that I use most of the time. So just so you know, I just wanted to let you know the eggs are ready. The sausages are ready. So I'm gonna go check on the grits casserole and see if that's ready. And that way I will put everything together, and that way you can see what we having for breakfast today. Okay? I'm gonna go ahead and try the cauliflower grits casserole. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, and it's hot. Ooh. Let me let it cool off a little bit. That is so good. It has a mouthfeel like grits, and you can taste the cheese coming through, and also the salt and pepper. I mean, it is just absolutely delicious. Mm. Mm. It's so good. So I'm also going to try the sausages, the homemade sausages that I made this morning. Mmm. They are so juicy and moist. Let me show you. Mmm. They are really good. Mmm. So tender. Mmm. This is a wonderful breakfast. It's low carb, keto, and it tastes delicious. Mmm. Mmm, very good. And it's seasoned just right. I'm gonna go ahead and place everything on the plate. That looks so good and it tastes amazing. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching Betty's Cooking Channel.